Welcome back to Fuel Showdown. In today's episode, we're putting alkylate fuel up against regular E10, comparing the sound of the burn. We'll break down what your engine hears and what that sound really means for performance. Let's fire it up. Episode 04 brought to you by alkylatefuel.com. Turn up your speakers and listen closely. Alkylate fuel is made of highly refined, pure hydrocarbons. When sprayed and ignited, it creates a uniform, fully vaporized air-fuel mixture. This allows for a rapid, complete combustion. The entire fuel cloud ignites almost simultaneously. This sudden pressure release produces a deep, resonant boom, which your speakers and subwoofer can actually register as low-frequency energy. That's why you hear it and feel it. In contrast, E10 fuel contains ethanol and other additives, which evaporate unevenly, absorb moisture from the air, leave behind liquid droplets or unstable vapor pockets. When E10 ignites, it burns in patches, a scattered lower energy combustion. Instead of a clean detonation, it creates a noisy spark-filled flicker, but without the deep single pressure wave. That's why alkylate delivers a boom nearly twice as loud, not from chaos, but from complete combustion. Boom means full, clean combustion. Scattered sound means wasted energy. Find more at alkylatefuel.com.